If you're over 40 and have finally booked that dream trip to Europe, you've been putting off for years perhaps to celebrate an important birthday, rediscover some adventure after raising children, or simply prove to yourself that life doesn't slow down after 40, but just thinking about lugging heavy suitcases through cobblestone streets, crowded trains, and endless airport queues makes you want to cancel everything before you even start. I know that feeling all too well. You end up paying extra baggage fees, missing connections because you're wrestling with zippers that won't close, or skipping that charming cafe in Paris because your shoulders ache from a bag that's more burden than helper. It's frustrating, it's defeating, and it steals the joy from what should be the trip of a lifetime. But I have good news. After 28 trips to Europe, I've discovered that the secret isn't packing less. It's packing smarter with just 3 versatile bags that maximize every inch of space for your travel essentials, without sacrificing style, comfort, or those products that keep you feeling confident and put together as a woman over 40. Welcome to Confessions of a Fashion Queen, 40 Plus Style. I'm the voice behind the channel. I'm 42 and I've explored Europe 28 times. Solo trips, friends, getaways, family adventures. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly which bags I swear by, how to organize them for effortless travel, and the simple system that lets me breeze through Europe with carry-on, ONLY, every single time. Don't skip ahead, trust me. At the end, I'll reveal my favorite travel bags, the ones that survived airports, trains, and 12-hour layovers, along with a free packing checklist you can grab right now to travel lighter and stress-free. Have you ever noticed how, no matter how carefully you plan, your suitcase always ends up bulging at the seams? That's because most women over 40 like us are packing for what-if scenarios. What if it rains in London? What if I need dressy shoes for that unexpected dinner in Rome? What if my skin reacts badly to the flight? On my first few Europe trips in my 30s, I did exactly that. Checked bags, aching back. Lost luggage once in Lisbon that ruined an entire day. It wasn't until trip number 10 that I realized versatile bags aren't about minimalism for minimalism's sake. They're not just bags, they're about freedom. Freedom to step off a plane and walk straight to the city without waiting for luggage. Freedom to slip onto a train from Paris to Brussels because you can, not because you're weighed down by stuff. Freedom to explore the Amalfi Coast with your shoulders relaxed, not aching. Freedom to feel elegant, capable, and calm. At 42, not stressed, overloaded, or invisible. Let's start with the foundation, your carry-on suitcase. After testing dozens, the only one that consistently maximizes space is a hard shell with expandable compression and 360-degree wheels. Why hard shell over soft? At our age, we need something lightweight, under 8 pounds empty to lift into overhead bins without straining, but rigid enough to protect delicate items like your favorite scarf or noise-canceling headphones. Key feature: built-in compression panels. Lay your longer items flat, like midi dresses or lightweight pants, on the non-wheel side. Fold once, then zip the compressor to squash everything down by 30 to 40%. On my last trip to Italy, I fit 2 weeks worth, 3 mix and match outfits in neutral tones, black, beige, navy, our over 40 color story for effortless chic, plus layers for unpredictable weather. Now, maximize that space with packing cubes, but not just any. Use compression ones for tops, bottoms, and undergarments. Roll your silk blouses or cotton tees tightly, zip to compress, and nestle them on the wheel side. Pro tip: stuffed socks, brass, or jewelry rolls into the crevices around shoes. I always pack 3 pairs max, 1 wearable sneaker on your feet for the flight, comfy walking sandals, and a versatile wedge for evenings. This leaves room for health essentials we can't skip. Travel size moisturizer, supplements, blister patches, and a compact first aid kit. On trip 15 to Paris, this system saved me. Everything fit without drama. Suitcase closed easily every time. Now let's move to the game changer, Most women overlook your personal item. Airlines allow a personal item under the seat. Make it a structured tote with a trolley sleeve that slides over your carry-on handle. Mine is leather, roomy enough for a 13-inch laptop or iPad for journaling trip memories or streaming wellness podcasts, yet slim to avoid gate-checking drama. Inside, dedicated pockets for liquids in a clear TSA pouch. Skincare, perfume samples, hand sanitizer, all under 3.4 ounces to breeze through security. I separate tech here too. Chargers, portable battery, earbuds, plus an eye mask and neck pillow for those red-eye flights that wreck our sleep cycles. On my 25th trip to Greece, this tote held my entire in-flight survival kit, keeping me hydrated, moisturized, and sane while the suitcase went overhead. The secret is organization. One pocket for travel documents, another for snacks like nuts for energy dips, a third for a light jacket. You land in Paris and you already have everything you need in hand. No digging through suitcases at the airport, but the real hero for daily exploration, the crossbody bag, versatile, hands-free, and anti-pickpocket smart. Ditch bulky purses. Go for one with RFID blocking, multiple compartments, and adjustable strap. I swear by a packable one that folds flat in your suitcase. It maximizes space by being wearable all day. Passport, wallet slimmed, 2 essentials, 2 cards, some euros, phone, lip balm, sunscreen, stick, and even a lightweight scarf that doubles as a shawl for chilly evenings or modest church visits. In Barcelona on trip 18, this bag let me stroll La Rambla for hours without fatigue, snapping photos and sipping cava, feeling secure and stylish. The trick is choosing one that goes with everything. Neutral leather or black canvas, so you don't have to coordinate with outfits. You wake up, toss your essentials in, and you're ready for the day. I also carry quick access health items, ibuprofen for jet lag, headaches, hand cream for dry plane air. To tie it all together, here's my quick Europe packing system for women over 40. First, the carry-on. This is where your capsule wardrobe goes, minus 5 to 7 neutral pieces that mix and match into 14 effortless outfits. Use compression organizers, choose dresses that fold down neatly, and keep shoes in protective bags so everything stays clean and structured. If you're not sure how to build a capsule wardrobe that actually works, let me know in the comments. I can bring a full video breaking it down step by step. Second, tote, liquids pouch, tech, snacks, light jacket, book or Kindle for downtime. Third, crossbody, valuables, quick access health items, cards, cash, phone. This setup weighs under 22 pounds total. Airline friendly, back friendly, life friendly, no more. What did I forget? Panic or repacking in hotel rooms? In my last 10 trips, Switzerland, Croatia, Scotland, this system never failed. I land, grab my bags, and go straight to enjoying. No waiting at baggage claim, no back pain, no stress. And the best part? You have SPACE for souvenirs on the return. I bought wine in Tuscany, cheese in France, pottery in Portugal. Everything fit because I planned smart from the start. Imagine landing in Europe, grabbing your bags, and heading straight to that sunset view in Santorini or a canal cruise in Amsterdam. Light, liberated, and ready to make memories that recharge your soul. That's what these versatile bags have given me 28 times over. If you're ready to pack like this for your next trip, download my free Over 40 Europe packing checklist in the description. It's tailored for our needs, with space-maximizing tips and product links that actually work. Which bag from today's video are you most excited to try first? Drop it in the comments and tell me where you're headed in Europe. I read every one and love helping you plan. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe with notifications, and share with a friend over 40 who's dreaming of travel. Thanks for watching Confessions of a Fashion Queen, 40+ style. See you in the next one. Safe travels.